Today, my topic is what are the mistakes that we do while learning English language. So I have concluded all these mistakes in five major mistakes. Because we all know English language is global language and almost 1.5 billion people use this language to communicate each other. So that's why those people who don't know how to speak English just because of it is not their mother tongue. It is their official language. So that's why people have need to learn this language. People want to learn this language because they want to communicate in this language to people, 1.5 billion people who are around in the world. And sometimes people also want to learn this language just because in some countries English language is an official language and people have to appear in their interviews in English language. In my opinion, first mistake is to watch random videos. Because when people feel this need to, like it is a time where people should learn English language, then they just go and they pick up their phone and start searching like how I can become fluent in English and what is the best course for beginner, how I can learn English online and this type of search. And by searching this, they get some videos and they start watching that videos and they start random videos. If they are watching video of one person, one teacher, then they after that video they go and watch and of another teacher videos and they don't know how to watch videos sequence wise. For example, if you are watching videos related to present indefinite, then they just click on the other video which is not related to present indefinite. They must be to another topic like present perfect and something. They just watch them and they feel like oh they have learned a lot of things, but they don't watch video sequence wise. So I think it is a big mistake. And I think if you are going to learn English, there should be a sequence in your videos. Like if you are watching videos present indefinite 2 days, then there must be present continuous, present perfect. Then you should go to past perfect. You should watch videos in sequence wise. In this way, you will learn the step of English. And the second mistake that we do while learning English from any online source in this way, if first day we are making notes and we will be able to revise them second day, but we don't make our notes and we keep on learning and watching video new every day and we keep on forgetting previous one, and in this way many things skip from our mind. So half of the knowledge skip and just only few things will keep in our mind and we will forget the thing easily. So that's why learning process, making notes is important. The third mistake that we all do is we don't follow single teacher. We just open our YouTube and we start watching videos and we don't follow a single teacher whole course. And if we are watching one day video of one teacher, then we start watching other teacher videos and even we don't know what is the element of our teacher whole course. In this way, we don't get enough knowledge from a single teacher and we follow another teacher. And I think if you start any course online, you should follow a single teacher and you should follow its whole course. And after completing one teacher course, you should go to another teacher. And you should also complete that teacher course and you should make your notebook. And at the end, you can compare both teacher notes and you can make your whole notebook from both teacher knowledge. And this thing will expand your knowledge. And the fourth mistake we all do is we don't do practice. But for me, in English learning, practice is important element, and I think it is the basic of this language. Because if you want to become a pro in writing, if you want to become a fluent while speaking, then practice is important. And for example, if you want to write an essay and press in anything, and you are not in the habit of writing, and while writing you are not practicing, then how will you correct your mistake and how will you train your mind and hand to work at same time? And if you are not writing, then you can't write. And especially for speaking, if you want to become a fluent while speaking, then you should speak. Then you should speak with more and more people, because when you are watching and learning, then you can understand all the rules and structure. But when you speak, don't all these things comes into your mind. The reason is just because your mouth and your tongue is not trained to pronounce all these things at the same time when your brain is sending message to speak. So that's why more people should be around yourself to whom you can speak English. The more you speak, the more you will get fluency. Because just speaking, you can train your mouth muscle to pronounce English words, because our muscles are not trained enough to pronounce English words, because we are in the habit of speaking Urdu and Hindi, and our mouth muscles and our tongue is trained to pronounce all these words. So that's why when we try to speak, we confuse and we fumble, because our mouth muscles are not trained. So to train them, it is necessary to do practice, more and more practice. The fifth one mistake, I think it's a big mistake that I consider. When we go to learn anything, like any course, especially if we are going to talk anything and we are talking here about English language, even we don't know all the elements, all the rule and structure, and what should we learn in this language. If we are going to learn this language for speaking, for spoken, so we don't know what should we learn. And if we are going to learn this language to write, to appear in any exam, we don't know what all are the elements for writing and what are the rule and structure. So I think all anyone and all should be aware all the things that is necessary to learn in English. Whole English course or English syllabus should be in your mind when you are going to learn this language. And I will try to make another video where I will tell you the whole syllabus related to English, that this thing you should learn when you want to learn this